Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Friday, so I'm winding down the week. I don't want to show you my shop because it looks like I haven't done a whole lot, but I have. I've actually done quite a bit in the shop. I still got a lot of stuff laying around. I'm not using my table saw right now, just for the simple fact that I really don't have anywhere to put any of this stuff until I get this next project done. So I've been using my circular saw for a little while, and you know, it's fun. Makes you appreciate a table saw. So anyway, I'll get back into the routine of things, get all that cleaned up. But it's just bugging the stew out of me having all this stuff everywhere. But I've got to get this next project done. I'm waiting on some things to come in. That's why I'm kind of, doing some things in between. So hopefully by this time next week, I'll be rolling pretty good and have this thing pretty much finished. So stay tuned for that. I just want to kind of update you guys. I haven't been on here every day like I had been in the past. I want to get back into that. So be sure just to kind of, stay tuned here. Check out the channel on the main channel. Be sure to watch those videos. But I want to start getting back into the routine of updating you guys and kind of just showing you things that, that's going on here in the shop. So one thing that I can tell you about, and I've got to watch where I'm stepping, but this is the beginning of the modular shop storage system. I keep saying I've got to move that. That's going to be moved come the very first of next week. That'll be gone. This will be full of drawers by this time next week. So hopefully this is all done and ready to go, I would hope, by the end of next week. So that is the next project. I'm going to split this up into a couple of different videos. I'm going to talk about the design process. That seemed to go over pretty well with the outfit assembly table. So I showed the design on that, the build, and the tour. I don't know if I'll do 3 videos on this or not, but I'm definitely showing the design as far as how I came up with, or how my design process is really, and just what it takes to get there to actually have a physical piece of furniture that you're looking at. So I get a lot of questions about that, so I want to touch on that. So I'm doing a video on that. That's going to be Tuesday. That'll be the release. The Tuesday release will be the design video. So still working on the design for the workbench. I haven't really nailed down a design that I want, so just that's still up in the air. And then coming up pretty soon, I'm going to be giving away some of these rigid tools. So I've got this impact driver, also have the drill and the impact. I'm going to be giving away a set of these. I'm not real sure how I want to give that away. I want to utilize Facebook Live because I haven't used it yet, but I'm not opposed to doing it on YouTube. I want to do a live video and then also tie something to it, but I want to do a live video, get people engaged with it. So I may end up doing something similar, just not as involved as the giveaway that Jay and I did. Not that big and not that intense, just something more simple, but on my website, and then just do a live video and give away, some stickers and some other things, just to kind of, get people involved in the community and to give back, So Rigid has agreed to give one of these away for me. So it's not really a sponsored deal, but Rigid is definitely providing the drill and the impact drivers to give away, for me to give away to somebody. So what better way to give back to the community than to give tools away? So I love that idea. Anyway, I think that's the gist of what's going on in here. Y'all pretty much seen the mess that I've got. But if you have not checked out the latest podcast episode, or the audio show as I call it, that was released this morning. So be sure to go to stoneandsons.net/audio. There's a smart player there on the website that you can check out the latest episode and all the rest of them. You can go to SoundCloud now. I'm on SoundCloud, so you can look up Stone and Sons audio show on SoundCloud, iTunes, Google Play, and then download the Anchor app to your phone. I say this all the time, but I want to make sure you guys know that I really, really want you guys to engage with me on this Anchor platform. But if you'll download that Anchor app on your smartphone, just search for Stone and Sons audio show or Stone and Sons, favorite my station, and just hit the little call-in button, and then call in to me and leave me a voicemail, and I'll put it in the show. So if it needs to be edited, I'll edit it for you. Let me know. But I prefer just a voicemail that needs no editing, and I'll put that question in the show, and that'll be good. So go check that out and subscribe on whatever podcast player you listen to. My son made an appearance. Well, he was in the audio show, so not an appearance. I don't know what you call it, but he was a guest on the show. So anyway, check that out. Give me some feedback, and yeah, see you guys next week. Later.